Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you block incoming calls on iPhone. So guys, to block incoming calls on iPhone, go to settings, and after going to settings, here you can see focus. Click on focus, and after that click the top first option, do not disturb, and after clicking it you need to just turn this option on. In my case it is already turned on. Here you can see people. Click on people. Here you can see allow calls from. It is on favorites. Click on favorites and click on allowed people only. If you do not allow any people to call you, all the incoming calls will be blocked. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.